Colorado, we could really use a break and get some moisture. Finally, we are looking at some widespread snow to move in, but with that will bring some really frigid conditions. So make sure you have the winter coat handy over the next couple of days. This morning it's cold out there. We're only at 22 degrees out of the airport. Winds relatively calm and humidity at 85%. So there's a little more humidity in the air this morning, but unfortunately fire danger is something we'll be talking about once again this afternoon, especially into the mountains. Last recorded wind gusts up over Estes Park at 34 miles per hour. It's also quite breezy over the far eastern plains with calm conditions up and down the I-25 corridor. Wildfire smoke continues to impact a lot of the Front Range. Of course, any areas downwind of the East Troublesome, the Cameron Peak fire, you can see wildfire smoke is heaviest this morning, at least near Fort Collins, Greeley, and Loveland, moving out to our north and east. A lot of watches and warnings ahead. A very strong front will move in from the north later on tonight, but in the meantime, a fire weather warning will be in effect until at least 7 o'clock. That includes our northern Front Range mountains into the foothills down through Pueblo, Trinidad, and Alamosa with very gusty winds, low relative humidity. Then we have a huge change coming to our state. All areas shaded here in blue. A winter storm watch will linger until at least Monday morning. The heaviest snow is expected Sunday night through early Monday. Temperatures outside right now, we're seeing some 40s filter into Arvada and Golden down through Castle Rock. It'll be warmer today than what we've seen over the past couple of afternoons. We're finally back to the 60s, so a pretty mild one. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds for the Denver area, and temperatures across the state a little bit warmer. So Steamboat and through Eagle in the 50s to low 60s. Salida at 66 degrees, warmer over the southeastern corner of the state. A little bit colder over Sterling, where we'll start to see some of those changes move in later on this afternoon. So in the meantime, temperature-wise, we'll be in the upper 50s, Platteville, Erie, and Boulder. And here's our futurecast. We'll stay under a mostly cloudy sky over the northeastern plains and portions of northwestern Colorado. More sunshine in Denver through the middle of the day. And then here's 4:30 this afternoon, still staying dry, but it'll be tonight that we'll start to see a rain-snow mix filter in after about 11 o'clock. But as mentioned, the main snow event is likely for Sunday afternoon. Tonight, colder, breezy, blustery, 18 degrees. It's all ahead of tomorrow's snow, 20 for a high, and we'll see those temperatures drop through the afternoon as the snow really kicks up. So the Broncos-Chiefs game is going to be a cold and snowy one through the fourth quarter. We'll see temperatures drop to the upper teens, and here's what it looks like on our Front Range Futurecast. You can see that snow moving in late at first through early tomorrow morning, and then it'll be widespread into the afternoon over Estes Park, Grand Lake. Granby really needs some moisture, helping with those firefighting efforts, and it looks like by tomorrow night it is going to be still blanketing all of the Front Range and south into our southern mountains as well. Snowfall forecast, things of course can change, but right now we're looking at 3 to 6 inches on average for Denver, more north, and a lot over our northwestern mountains. So here's our 7-day forecast. Get ready for some cold. 19 degrees for a high, 5 to start the day on Monday, 10 for a low on Tuesday, clearing skies, dry but still chilly through midweek, and then 60s return Thursday and Friday.